All right, let's talk about how you approach the Asian market when the market is in a range bound. Which, to be honest with you, in a lot of cases, we are in a range bound in the Asian market. Usually it comes with a lower volume and smaller price movements and a very, very tight consolidation range. So we really do not want to be chasing it too early and let the range kind of develop. Unfortunately, on this trade, as you guys can see, I drew a line here between the two, between 820 to 800. That's a 20 points range. After a big move to the upside, that was kind of like a 50 points move to the upside. And then we kind of consolidated in this range. I marked the high, and of course, I marked the low as well. And all I really had to do was wait for a breakout confirmation, either to the upside or to the downside, either one of the two. And instead of I hopped on a trade thinking it's a break to the downside. And guess what? It's a fake break to the downside. We got a nice little pop there. And then this is what happens. Continuation to the upside. That was the low, and I should have waited a little more wait. A break to the downside and a retest of that low was the way to go. And instead of doing that, I went short, and that's what happened. I ended up holding a bag, and this nearly costed me my account. Luckily, I kind of got out a little late, but I think that was about $400 negative. But the point I'm trying to make here is, in a lot of cases, you have this very tight range bound during Asia. And if that is the case, why can't you just wait for a couple more minutes? All you really had to do was wait a couple more minutes. Wait for a break. And that's all really we had to do. And instead, I didn't do that, Very important two things that you have to understand is, first, we want a break. We want a confirmation, a break either to the upside or to the downside. And second, we want to see the retest of that low. If we are thinking this is going to be to the downside, then let's wait for the break to the downside, number one. And then we wait for a retest of that low to make sure it's a double top. And then we have a follow through to the downside from there. This is something, it's within our control and something that we can definitely get better at it. And this is exactly what I'm going to do in the next trade. I've already made a note. It's not complicated. And yet, you always make this mistake over and over again.